He said, as you noticed, we are floating above the ground. And though the ground slopes, the ship is level. There are in the outside rim of the ship 2 flywheels, one turning one way and the other the opposite direction. He explained that this gives the ship its own gravitation, or rather, overcomes the gravitational pull of Earth, other planets, or the sun or stars. And though this pull is light, we use this gravitational pull of the stars and planets to ride on. Whoa, that would blow my mind. The flywheels turning oppositely is really interesting when you think about cases like even, what was his name from Coral Castle? Edward Leeds Scullman, using magnetic flywheels to essentially lift boulders that were, that weighed tons. Although he was only 5 foot tall, so the flywheel stuff is really interesting. But again, the flywheel might have been popular back then. And so maybe that was just a way that they could communicate to this man what their technology was. Maybe it's not a flywheel at all. While we had been talking, a light had come on, apparently signaling that the water had been taken care of. When I felt it was time for me to leave, I mentioned this. He asked me if I would be interested in going with them. I said that I had thought it would be interesting to go with them, but it would inconvenience too many people. Later, I wondered why I had said that. God, Udo. That does beg an interesting question. Maybe something you guys could answer in the comments. If given the opportunity, would you have gone with them? Now, obviously, my follow-up question would be, are we coming back? Can we come back? Will it be the same day and time? Can we just go and have a quick rip across, the galaxy and then come right back here? Because if so, sign me up. But if the option was leave this Earth and never come back, would you do it? I expect most of you would say no, due to family and friends, but is there a percentage of you out there that would do this? Let me know in the comments. I'd be interested to read that.